guys, let's get to our next question. The next question is, the acceleration due to gravity g on surface of Earth is approximately 2.6 times that on the surface of Mars. Given the radius of Mars is 1/2 radius of Earth, the ratio of escape velocity on Earth to that of Mars is approximately. Now, for this kind of question, what you need to know is, I'll be explaining a set of formulas that are essential to solving these kind of questions. So first, V escape equal to root of 2gr and V orbital equal to root of gr. Now, say you are on Earth and you have a particle in your hand. You're throwing it with a velocity greater than or equal to escape velocity. Then what happens is that particle will exit the gravitational field of Earth. That is, it will not be bound to Earth. That is, it will not fall back to Earth. Now, if I am at an altitude h, say instead of this root of gr, I am at an altitude h and I throw a particle parallel to Earth with a velocity which is equal to root of g into r radius of Earth plus the altitude h that I am in, that is root of g into r plus h. Then what happens is that particle will orbit around Earth in a circular path. You get it? Now, say I am throwing a particle from an altitude h above the escape velocity. Escape velocity at that given point will be value of g at that given point plus the distance, escape velocity at that point will be equal to root of 2 into g at that given point into distance from the center of Earth to that given point. Now, if I am throwing a particle in a velocity which is in between both these velocities, that is in between orbital velocity and escape velocity, what will happen is it will move around Earth in an elliptical path. Alright, so these are the concepts that you need to know to solve this problem. Now let's get to solving this problem. We know that V escape equal to root of 2gr. Therefore, V escape from Earth by V escape on Mars equal to root of g r by g r Earth Mars equal to root of g is 2.6, radius of Earth is 2 times, and the bottom guys are 1, so what you get is root of 5.2. Now now you are required to solve root of 5.2 and your examination hall looking at your question paper, you have got a value root of 5.2 and you don't find the value in here. You need to evaluate the root of 5.2. Now, how to approximate in such a case? That is what I am going to talk to you. You know that root of 4 yields you 2. Root of 4 is 2 and root of 2 is something of the value 1.414. Never mind, but that is not required. So you know that the root of 4 is 2. So root of 5.2 must be something greater than 2. And it is less than 5. Of course, it will be less than 5.2. So the only given option that can satisfy this is 2.3.